Black Friday is finally here. The market has gone absolutely insane. We're going to cover everything you need to know heading into this weekend, the best investments, what's happened with the market today, and what to expect for the remainder of the weekend. So guys, we're jumping literally right into it here. So first things first, we're going to take a look at fodder. Obviously a lot of fodder prices coming down and up and everything with all the lightning rounds we've gotten. Today we've gotten a ton of packs, literally 2 separate rounds of lightning rounds. We got 125k packs that came out at 8 p.m. UK as predicted. And the market's, it's going crazy, man. There's been so much just crazy stuff that's kind of come out recently, and it's insane. So as I said, fodder's kind of come down a bit. I do expect it to kind of rise up overnight tonight. As more and more people do SBCs, especially tomorrow, I think we're going to get a good round of just content coming out, and I don't think we're going to see too many packs kind of come in. Now I kind of want to take a look at really the metas. That's the main thing I want to look at today, is a lot of these meta cards. The signature signing cards were good. They were decent. They're a little underwhelming, I'm not gonna lie, but we did see quite a few different good ones. Renato Sanchez, Ben Yedder, Atul, De Bruyne, they're all very decent cards. However, the rest haven't really been too good. We are seeing a lot of them actually get pushed up to about 40-50k. And this is just due to the fact of the SBC that came out, the Benzema. There's a lot of people completing it, and these cards have been pushed up because they're required in the requirements. Pretty much other than that, it's not really that great of a team. Personally, I packed an Atul, which you can watch the pack opening at the end of the video. We rip about 7 or 8 125k packs. Really not worth it, but if you guys want to see, that's at the end of the video. But yeah, guys, the metas, they've actually been very interesting. A lot of them have gone up a bit during the lightning rounds. It seems there's so much demand right now for these cards. So much buying we've seen throughout the entire day. If we take a look at the hourly graph here and just kind of take a look at today, we're seeing a lot of these cards really start to rebound. During the lightning rounds, we saw these cards kind of come down. We're really starting to see these cards rise up now. And I expect to see a lot of them continue to follow that trend into the evening. I personally was looking for some cards a little later on that haven't really started to rise yet. Even if they're in that best of team of the week, I still just think to myself that a lot of those cards are going to continue to rise up, I think, over the evening, as more and more people kind of start to, build their teams and do whatever else they want to do with their coins. I was really surprised to see how many of these cards really started to move though. So for me, I actually took a gamble and I went in on Son, his inform card. Even though he's in packs, I think tonight he's going to be a card that rises up a ton. We saw Mo Salah's inform, even in the lightning rounds, just starting to push up in price. Same with kind of Mbappe. If we take a look here at Salah, for example, I was really surprised to see how much the 91 started moving up. And it just seems there's so much buying demand right now, even though we just got obliterated with 600,000 ultimate packs here at the end here. But you can see Salah today has gone from 350 up to 400k, and I don't see this trend stopping. I think he's going to continue to rise up now that we're done with packs for the evening. And even tomorrow, I don't expect too much. Now on Sunday, I do expect to see like the Super Sunday. We're going to see a lot of Team 2s and all that. So everything, we're going to probably get a lot of packs on Sunday. So I'm not looking to hold these long terms. A lot of these cards, I think I'm going to be looking to sell. But even then, Son, Salah, and all them, they're not in the Team 2. They won't be in packs come Sunday, so I'm not really too worried on some of them. As you can see with Son here, I was really surprised to see that he hadn't moved. I bought a bunch at like 180k. Now this could be a flop for all I know, but I just think there's a huge gap between his road to the knockout card and this one, and they're basically the same rating. Obviously one can upgrade, one can't, but I just expect to see this card start to push up. He's been one that's kind of declining for a while. And today we saw, his card could push up above 200. The lightning rounds kind of scared him, and we started to see that kind of reversal on him after the lightning round. So I do think that Son will be a card that kind of goes up. Mbappe, the top tier cards, even Ronaldo, I was surprised about. They all kind of just shot up, and it seems people weren't waiting. They wanted to start buying right then. So a lot of these cards are really starting to push up, and I'd imagine the market's going to continue to do very well. Even Inform Mbappe, he's only gone up today, even though he's in packs and more people are getting him. It seems people are basically saying, screw the supply, we're going in. And, Mbappe was a card I said would do very, very well. The gold cards that are out of packs, they've only gone. And it seemed the gold cards were really the ones that continued to rise, even when they were out of packs. I was actually really, really surprised to see it. I know I've been saying it. But again, just take a look at Cristiano Ronaldo's price. Even though he's in packs, the card really only continued to go up. So I'm surprised that this was the trend that kind of happened on basically a lot of those cards. Basically, you know, if you're looking to make coins, looking to flip, find the cards that haven't moved as much yet. I'd imagine tonight they'll kind of just continue to kind of do that same kind of trend, even with the icons as well. I'd imagine that the icons are going to be one that continue to kind of move that same direction you've seen in the last little hour. So icons have really started to come up in price a bunch. And it's a trend I expect to see kind of continue to happen. Now, I would be careful because obviously we've been getting a ton of SBC content, which has been really good so far. The Flash SBCs have been very rewarding. I'm a big fan of it all. We had 2 players with Benzema, and then we just got the Dini right there as well. We've got the daily login challenge or whatever. We've been getting the Flash SBCs. We got a very good Benzema, and we've been getting a couple upgrades as well. Now, I'd imagine this is going to be something that kind of continues on in, you know, throughout today and into tomorrow, and then we're going to finally get our upgrade packs and all that good stuff. Now, 2 things to kind of keep in mind. Base icon and the FUT Hero upgrade, they expire tomorrow at content time. I do expect to see a repeatable one for at least the icon upgrade. Maybe a FUT Hero one as well. That could be something that kind of takes icons down, so I am going to be a little bit cautious as far as that goes. We also know that we will be getting Team 2 for both the signature signings and as well as the best of Team of the Week. Both, we have 2 teams. I believe, I don't know if we know completely as of right now what the signature signings Team 2 is. Well, it's actually a mini release, not Team 2, sorry. But we will be getting the best of Team of the Week, Team 2 tomorrow as well. So you will see the first one kind of go to packs. I don't expect to see any more lightning rounds till then. So it's kind of why I'm pushing people to kind of go ahead and buy those players like Son, Salah, and all them, because they will be leaving packs. Now, I would be careful, obviously, with the cards that will be going back in the packs for Sunday. We are going to end up seeing a Super Sunday kind of release. I will kind of make a video talking about it tomorrow. It might not be officially be called Super Sunday like it was in FIFA 20, but it kind of has the same meaning in that we're going to see all this content kind of repeat when we do get the mini release. And I do think Sunday we are going to see, again, just some massive packs and everything come out. But I could be wrong. Maybe tomorrow we will end up getting packs as well, and we might just get packs the whole time. So be careful, but with the best of Team of the Week 1 leaving packs tomorrow, I do think some of those are very safe buy to kind of take a look at. Icons, be careful of. Signings, be careful of. You know, it's a crazy market. We're getting a lot of supply, but it seems the demand has just outweighed the supply recently. We'll see how it goes. I mean, is it the best time to buy a team now? Maybe, but to be safe, I'd probably wait till the end of the weekend, if anything. I'm going to end the market portion of this video right here. We are going to head into my little mini pack opening. So yeah, enjoy. Alright guys, so we literally never do this, but we are going to open 3 ultimate packs here on the console. We have so many on Xbox, like we are never ever going to hit that community limit within the hour that it's given. So we're going to go ahead and open 3 of them. They actually have pretty decent odds here, so we're going to go and see what we can get and show you guys if it's worth it. A 43% chance of a Team of the Week player, signature signing player 11%. So we're going to go ahead and open this with coins just so I could show you guys that these really aren't worth doing. So right off the bat, we don't even get a walkout in the first pack. I mean, you have got to be kidding me. We go ahead and get ourselves, you know, we got a Team of the Week card, and then we're going to kind of fill the club up here with all these players. So we are going to keep all of them just because I need players anyways. So it's kind of why I'm going ahead and doing this. But in the first one, we get absolutely nothing. Here we go to open the second 125k pack. Can we get something good? We do get a Team of the Week walkout. English center back. He's probably poor. It is Tyrone Mings. Really not a great pack either. At least, I mean, he walked out, I guess. But it's still just as bad. But we end up actually getting 3 informs, as well as Hugo Lloris. So actually, it wasn't a horrible pack, I guess you can say. But obviously, it could have been much better. And then finally, for our final 125k pack, we're gonna go ahead and see what we get out of this one. Ripping this one open. Here we go. We get not even a walkout. So guys, these are really poor. I don't recommend that you guys do this whatsoever, just because they really just aren't good at all. If you guys made it to the end of the video, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up on it. I appreciate all the support recently. I will see you guys tomorrow with another banger of a video. Until then, peace.